Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to model the fuselage of Boeing 737-800. In previous video we have learned how to import image in Solidworks. The image, you see, this was the image. So here now we will start the sketching for our fuselage. To do that, at first we'll draw the guide curve, top guide curve in right plane. Then select the right plane and click sketch. At first we need to draw some center line. You see, from here, from the axis, the vertical line. So, and another center line is here, then another center line in this position. I need to draw then another center line from here, and finally at the end point. Okay, now keep the distance of this line, so it will be 1550. Then give the dimension between this point and this point. It will be 8517. Now distance between these 2 points will be 25682. 25682. Okay, now distance between 2 points, G4, it is exactly 34,000. Okay, now we'll give the vertical height of this center line. So the height of this plane will be this line will be 948. Then give the dimension of this line. It will be 2550. Now these two line on it, the last one, it will be 2186. Okay. Okay, now we can start our guide curve. First press the escape, then select the spline, start from the nose, connect these 2 points, and then press escape, again select the spline and connect these 2 points, then select a solid line and draw a horizontal line up to this, then again select the spline between the last point. Okay, now select this spline and you can control like this and make this side vertical and keep it down so that it matches with the image, and this side make it like this, this side make it horizontal. Okay, now I need to, okay, now it matches with the image exactly. One thing we can do, these two line make it tangent, and come this side, select this spline, make this horizontal, keep these two line tangent. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's good. So that's our top guide curve, the exit from the sketch. Similarly, we will select again right plane to sketch our bottom guide curve. To draw the bottom guide curve, we need to draw some center line again, vertical center line. Yeah, that's good. Now select this plane first, then extrude from this point, connect this 2 point with this spline, then again select this spline between this 2 point, and here we'll select the solid line from this point up to this. Make just horizontal line, then select spline again from this point up to the end. Just make sure it will coincident with the this center line. Okay, now we need to do one thing. Make this point, press Ctrl key and press this point, make this vertical, and again press this point, Ctrl key and upper point, make this 2 point vertical, and this point and this point should be vertical, and this point and this point should be okay. Now we can make this spline similarly as before, make this vertical and keep it like this. And this side we need to make this side horizontal so that it will tangent with this line, and maybe we have made a mistake. The dimension of this line should be different. Say, what is the distance of this line? This distance of this line should be is 1460. This is 1460. Okay, and the distance of this line should be 880. So it will be 880. Yeah, no, it's okay. Now select this two line and make it tangent. Make it tangent, then come this side again, make this on horizontal and make this two curve tangent, and you can give the dimension here 1383. See here, it will be 1383. Okay, now you see this is our bottom guide curve. It will just match with the bottom line of the image. So this is our bottom guide curve. Then exit from the sketch. Okay, now we need to sketch some profile in different plane, like here, here. To do that, we need to take some plane in these points. So to take the plane, go to insert, then reference geometry, then plane. It takes some time to come. Okay, our reference plane will be front plane, and then you can select this point. Yeah, now the plane is here. Okay, now click OK. We have taken our first plane, and then again we need to take another plane in this point. Okay, again our reference plane will be front plane, then click this point, then click OK. So this is our second plane. Then we need to take another plane in this point. Again it will be, the reference plane will be front plane, and then click this point, then click OK. Again, now we need to take another plane, reference geometry plane, front plane, then select this point. Okay, now at last we need to take last plane on at the end of the fuselage. Okay, the reference plane will be front plane again, and just click this point. Okay, we have 5 planes here. So now at first we need to sketch just a point in this nose. To do that, select the front plane and then click sketch. We need to draw just a point. So you see this is a point, click on the point and then sketch a point here. Okay, now exit from the sketch. So you can name this sketch fuselage profile 1. Okay, now we will sketch our first profile, our second profile in plane 1. To do that, select the spline and then sketch the spline like this, then click on the line, then you can make this curve like this, then a little tilt it, click on this upper point and then control key, then press, then click this curve and then make it pierce. Again click this point and control key, then click this line and make it pierce. Okay, now make this line horizontal, this line horizontal. Okay, then sketch the center line from top to bottom and take another center line from, you see that from the center and up to the end. This will be the horizontal line, so you can give the dimension of this line. It will be, so this is our first, yeah, this is our first profile, so 850, it will be 850. Good. So now we need to take the mirror of this line. To click on the mirror entities, then select this profile and the mirror about will be this center line. You see this is the mirror here, mirror line here, they click OK. So this is our second profile for fuselage. Then exit from this sketch. You can hide all the plane here. Just okay, to make it clear. Also you can hide these images from front, these two top, and we need the front image only. Yeah, okay, that's good. Now go to the second plane and sketch. So now we sketch our third profile. Again select the spline and similarly we will draw another sketch little bigger, and this will be, again press this point and make it pierce with this curve, this point, make it pierce with this line. Okay, then press spacebar and you can change the view. Now make this line horizontal, this line horizontal. Okay, again draw a center line from top to bottom and another center line from its center. Then you can give the dimension here. It will be 1880. It will be 1880. Okay. Just you need to match with this outer shape. I think this is okay. Then we need to mirror these entities. So select the mirror entities, then select this curve, then click the mirror about, and then click this center line. You see the mirror line here, then click OK. So this is our third guide curve. Again we need to sketch our fourth guide curve. So this will be our third plane. Go to third plane, click sketch. We can do one thing, we can copy this line here. Just click this line, then press Control, then press Control C, then press Control V. Now move these entities. Just go click on the move entities, then select all, already selected all the spline. Then you need to select this one, the from and to. So you need to start a point, the from which point the reference point will be this one. Okay, you see we can move this now, and where we will move it. So we'll move it, so we'll move it at this point. Okay, you can see now. Make sure this point pairs with this line, and also this point with this line, make it pierce. Okay, that's good. Now click OK. So then we need to draw our fifth guide curve. To do that, fifth guide curve will be one fourth plane. So click the plane and then click sketch. Similarly, we need to sketch this line like this. And click this point and make it pierce with this line. This point, make it this pierce with this line. Okay, now change the view. First sketch the center line, connect these 2 points, then make this horizontal, make this horizontal. To sketch another center line from the center of this line to just horizontal line. Okay, they'll give the dimension of this line. So this dimension of this line will be 1160. Okay, now go to the mirror entities and then select this sketch and mirror about. Click on here, and then mirror about will be the center line. Then click OK. Okay, so this is our fifth guide curve for Fuselage. And now we need to sketch our last guide curve on the plane 5, click escape again, and then again select spline. Similarly, show this point and this line appears, this point and this line appears. So is the view. Make this line horizontal and this line horizontal. Draw a center line similarly. Keep the dimension. The dimension will be 218. Okay. So 218. Okay. Now little adjust. That's good. Now to mirror it. Mirror entities. Select this curve. Mirror about view. Okay. So this is our last profile for Fuselage. So you see it will look like this with two guide curve, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 profile. Now we need to draw another two guide curve in this direction, in right side and left side. To do that, we need to select 3D sketch. So now go to sketch, and you see here 3D sketch. So select the 3D sketch. To sketch in 3D, for 3D sketch we don't need take any plane. So now just change the view in right plane, then click on this spline, click here, then make sure it will touch this curve, and again from this point just touch this curve. Again select a solid line, and then up to this. Okay, now select the spline again from this point, and touch this point, and then again spline from here to make sure that it will touch the profile. Yeah, that's great. Go to top view. So we need to make visible now our top sketch. Yeah, so say we need to make sure that this point does this line, so this line will be here. Yeah, okay. So make this line, it will be along x-axis, just match with this sketch. We need to make this two guide curve in the two curve in this point tangent. So and this line should be in this point, these two line will be tangent, and here make these two curve tangent. That's good. And this, so these two line will be tangent. So in this view I think okay, so go to the right side view and let's see how it look like. So we need to do something here. Okay. So this is our right guide curve. Then you see, so click OK. Now we will sketch our left guide curve. Again, go to sketch and select the sketch. Similar way, so here we need to go this side. Again, select a spline, start from the nose, then select another spline connecting to these two profile, then solid line from these two profile, again a spline here at this point, then again yes, again on this point to this. Similarly, we need to make sure it will exactly same with this line. Okay, go to top view, then make this these two curve will be tangent. And this true line tangent. Okay. And this two curve will be tangent. But here see this line you need to adjust a little bit. Okay. It's difficult to adjust the 3D curve because when you adjust one side it will damage the other side, so you need to check again from different views so that it will look like okay. I think it's okay. Now exit from this, so our all the profile and guide curve is ready. So now we need to you see now all the sketches is like this. Now to make the fuselage, go to features and then lofted boss. At first we need to select the profile, then from tree expand the tree here and then select this is our profile 1, sorry, we need to select this one first. Sometimes it will create problem if we select the first one. So select this one, then this one, then select the point. And for guide curve, click here, then select the upper guide curve, select the upper guide curve, then select the lower guide curve. You see it will exactly same match with the guide curve. Then go to the top view and select this guide curve and select this guide curve. Okay, now click OK. So this is the front portion of our fuselage. Now we need to make the loft for middle portion. Again select the loft and click this edge, this profile, sorry, not edge, we need to select all profile, select this, select all this profile, not edge. So we can select it from here. So this is this one, this case 3, then select this profile. Okay, no need to select any guide curve here, then click OK. Now for last portion we need to go again lofted boss and select from sketch from here, then click this profile, lastly this profile. For guide curve, we need to select all the guide curve here. So go to side view and then select. We need to select from guide curve here. So this is our top guide curve, and then select bottom guide curve, and then select so this one. Okay. So this is our fuselage. Okay, I think you can do it yourself now. Thank you for watching.